All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So I wanted to show you my next phone, and I guess this is another episode of my next phone. This is the Umidigi Z2. Now, there's a whole bunch of phones that I've reviewed from Umidigi, and just phones that you wouldn't normally buy in the U.S. But the reason I'm showing you this phone is because it has Lte Bands for the U.S. Officially, a lot of phones I get from GearBest, you guys always say, well, it doesn't work in the U.S. Well, here are the bands right here. As you can see, those are all the Lte bands it has. It does have 2, 4, 12, and that is what you guys will be looking for in the U.S. It's got band 17. It's got the bands that you want to use in the U.S. for LTE. Now, let's take a look at this phone itself. It has a 6.2-inch and it's so weird down here in the description. It says full notch screen. So strange, man. This actually has Face ID as well, and they're touting this as though it has Face ID, kind of like the iPhone X. There's a promo video out that shows all the internals of that top area up there, basically implementing that it's useful just like the way Apple did. But nonetheless, you still got that big bulge at the top. Either that's going to bother you or it's not. But this phone right here has a 6.2-inch 1080p display, and it has different colors here. This is Twilight, and they also have Twilight Black, where it basically changes from this color back and forth between these two colors in black. But this is the phone, man. It's got 4 cameras. Let's go over here to the description. It's got 4 cameras, and they're both 16 and 8 on the front and the rear, which is going to be really, really nice. You get 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs onboard storage, Android 8.1. This will get Android P as well, I'm told. So this should be really nice. Type-C, and it has the latest Helio P60, I believe. This is going to be nice. If you're worried about like slowdowns and things like that, it probably won't happen with this phone. Well, it won't happen with any phone, but this should be a powerful phone, I should say. This should be a powerful phone. So you've got an ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, gyroscope, accelerometer. You've got everything there that you possibly want in smartphones today. So this is a good look, man. I mean, I think this is going to be really, really nice. It looks like it's a beautiful design. I really like the design. Not afraid of the processor. Cameras, I'm really looking forward to that. So this is kind of a direct competitor for lots of phones out on the market today. So we're going to have to see how this actually works, and I will be giving you full coverage on this, so stay tuned for that. But the reason I posted this video now is because it's on sale right now for $249. Do you see that price? Now, you compare this to phones that you're purchasing now. This is an even better purchase, or a lower price, I should say, than the one of my current phones, the Zenfone 5. Now, you guys know I really love the Zenfone 5. I would love to match this. This is like a direct competition for the Zenfone 5 and several other phones out there with these specs. So it's going to be nice, man. I can't wait to bring you coverage on it. So hurry up and get your order in. It's under lightning deal right now. It's only $249. There's only 322 units left at the recording of this video, so you got to hurry. There's a link in the description. Trust me when I tell you, you could probably have it at the same time as me, and you'll have it in your hand while I'm reviewing it. So it's your man, Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.